What's going on, everybody? This is Cack and Balls here again with another large unboxing this time. Just to give you an idea on this particular box, you're looking at roughly 16 by 18 by 10 inches. So it's a big one. What's inside the box? Let's open it up and take a look. So, I know it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video and even updated anything on my YouTube channel here. A lot of that's been because, frankly, it's been darn right cold here in Illinois. So, I don't like making videos when it's cold. Ouch. Alright, so I'm going to turn this box sideways because, maybe not. I'll just make do with what I've got here. And man, this is taped up really good. Sorry about the boring parts. If I could edit my videos in a timely manner and actually have some decent quality videos, I would speed this part up. So in the meantime, you just have to listen to me talk. So, first thing we have in the box. These are heavy. Fanatic Q drivers. We have Fanatic Q mid-range speakers, or the FNQ 1405. These should be brand new in the box. We'll find out here in a minute. These are, let's see, these don't actually have a date on them as to when they're produced. So we'll just go ahead and get into it here. Open her up. We have our owner's manual, always a plus. Our speaker wire, which is uncut. I'm actually curious. Comment down below. Any of you guys ever use this wire? I never have. I don't know why. It's real stiff. And I don't know if it's because of the coating on it or what, but it's always been really stiff wire. So, speaker grills. Go ahead, those are kind of just your average, ordinary speaker grills. I don't know if I need to take these out or not. Hardware baggie. We got here, I always like the Allen head or the hex head type fasteners. Make it easier for people to not steal your stuff versus just walking around with a Phillips headed screwdriver. So, and here we have our Fanatic Q driver. Has the, I don't remember if these are Kevlar cones or not, rubber surround. Always like these really nice looking speakers. They're actually transparent to a point that you can actually shine a light. Let me see. Underneath of these, I remember seeing a lot of older car audio magazines and stuff where people actually had these backlit. And I think in my install, I may do that. Put some LEDs behind it and light them up. But really nice. Haven't been used. There's no marks here. I don't know, you probably can't see that, but there's no marks where there's had the spade connectors put on there. So, nice spiders. Once again, FNQ. These are the 1405. So, there's that one. I ended up buying some stuff a couple days ago and started making a video on it. And an unboxing video just to share with you guys, like always. And, yeah, it was missing some parts. It was a component set, brand new in the box. And it was missing the tweeters. A little ticked off about that. But here's the other one. Once again, I always thought it was kind of weird they never had the stickers or any kind of identification marks on the bottom there. So once again, no connections on the terminals. Spiders are nice and tight. These look good. A little dusty. Overall good. But we still have one more item in the box. So I will put these back in here. Put the hardware back here. Put everything back. And these things got some decent weight to them. If you've watched my other videos, you'll see that I have a couple Fanatic X, and I also have a Fanatic P set. They're probably just the drivers here, just the mids. Those things are almost as much as the entire component set of the Fanatic X's. So, good pack job. Lots of bubble wrap in here. Big bubble wrap. I like the big bubble wrap. Definitely helps out a lot more. and shipping stuff. I found these on the Facebook Marketplace, of all places. So, and last but not least, take the box off. Fanatic Q component set. This will be the first Fanatic Q component sets that I own. I haven't had much luck trying to obtain any 6.5s. I always manage to find the 5 1/4s, the 5-inch, and it's just kind of getting to the point where it's I'm due for some 6.5s. I need some 6.5s. So if you have any Fanatic Q component sets or Fanatic X in 6.5s, drop me a line down below and let me know. So depending on your price and stuff, I might pick those up. But these are the FNQ 2514. Once again, these are NOS, should be NOS, new old stock in the box. These are FNQ 2514. These are manufactured 12/19 of 01. So these are, as of today, they are about 17 years old, give or take. Things are almost old enough to vote. So 5 1/4-inch, you got 100 watts RMS, 200 watts peak, frequency response 50 hertz to 6 kilohertz, 4 ohm nominal impedance, mounting depth, blah, blah, blah. I'll hold these up so you guys can see all the information here. Although Rockford Fosgate makes all this information available on their website, which is kind of nice for anybody looking to find out specs, especially on their amplifiers, like the older DSM amp. They have the owner's manuals and everything on there. So, owner's manual. For some reason, okay, I remember now. So, the speaker grills on these particular units, pull one of these out here. You have two grills. So you have your regular speaker grill, and then you can have it set up where you could have your speaker grill and have your tweeter mounted in the middle. So I forgot about that. That's interesting. So you got two different combinations where you can actually use the grills if you choose to use them. I don't usually use speaker grills, but to each their own. These are both in here. I'll put these aside and mess with these later. Now we're going to get into the, obviously we got our speaker wire again. Not really anything big there. Have our hardware and terminal cups. These are for your surface mount. These are the little pod style. You can end up mounting. You can adjust them and angle them the way that you want them. Then we have the tweeters should come in the flush mount. So if you buy a set that's brand new and has never been used, the tweeters should come in the flush mount cups. If they don't, then there's a possibility that they've been used or, you know, Lord knows what. So I'm a sucker for NOS stuff. These are nice representations of that. I do believe that the crossovers are supposed to come in little baggies. These aren't, so these may have been opened. These are notorious for breaking. There's two tabs up here. So these tabs are still intact. It's kind of cold, and I hope I don't break them when I open this. There we go. So you take a look inside at the crossover here. See if I can zoom in a little bit. So these things are pretty beefy compared to like the X's, the Fanatic X components. There's not even half as much stuff inside of here. And I do have a review, not really a review, but an unboxing on the Fanatic X component sets. So you can go back and look at those. Now we'll pull out the drivers. The drivers are going to be the same. Blow the dust off. Same drivers pretty much as the other ones that we just looked at. These do have the 6.5 inch, I believe it 6.5 or the 6 inch mounting ring on it, but the driver is a 5 1/4. So we got a bigger case covering the magnet and the motor structure. There's no use. There's no clips anywhere on here or scratches. I keep holding this down lower than I need to. So there's nothing, no wear on here, so I know these have never been used, or at least not in any kind of serious aspect. So I'll pull this out of the way and zoom back in there. So there you go. Nice speakers all around. I need to hook them up, make sure that they work. I don't think that's going to be an issue. It's not even really a concern at this point in time. But here's the little stickers that go on the grills. So that'll be pretty much it. We'll wrap it up. So this kind of covers, the Fanatic Q sets. These are, like I said, brand new, mint in the box. The guy I got them from, real good guy. Kept me updated on shipping them. He sent me pictures of them being shipped. Not being shipped, but boxed up. He sent me a video showing me everything that was inside the box. This is a gentleman from Iowa. So he had some other stuff on there too, but it was just the Fosgate stuff I was interested in. So anyways, that'll be about it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Any information, any feedback helps quite a bit. If you guys have questions, or if you just want to talk about old Rockford Fosgate stuff, I'm more than happy to carry on conversations with people, especially on Facebook, eBay. I mean, I'll talk to anybody about anything if it has to do with Rockford Fosgate stuff, just because that's what I know. If you want to talk about Orion or Zapco type stuff, I have no valuable input because I don't know anything about the stuff. So, but Rockford Fosgate stuff, I've got quite a bit of it, and it just, my collection keeps getting more and more. So, like I said, if you guys want to, chew the rag a little bit about some of the stuff, feel free to let me know. So, if you would get the word out, I like sharing the videos. I'm not worried about making money. I'm not worried about being a big YouTube star. I just like sharing the stuff that I have and more or less kind of bragging about it. But I'm not that kind of guy to rub it in people's faces. So, anyways, that'll be it. A little bit over, almost a 12-minute video. So I'll end it right at 12 minutes. So we got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, stay classy.